childish. I been doing this on my own. What make you think that you can stop me? Nope. I just been getting that bad. That bad been coming too empty. Nigga, it done got heavy. Thought I had me a semi. Nigga making all they move. Might as well be the Senate. Nigga, I'm like a major. Because I got all the trumpets.
Hey man, it's your boy Datboycari Beats back with another video. This video really was gonna be, you know what I'm saying, it was unexpected. I'm just making a little short, quick video. But before y'all do anything, man, make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe. Browser going up all 2021, 2022, 2023, so on and so forth like that. Make sure you subscribe. Go down below and comment that you subscribe, man. I'll reply hearted. You know what I'm saying? Follow me on Instagram, Datboycari_beats. And for folks who don't know how to spell it, it's DATBOYCARI_beats, man. You know what I'm saying? And also, my bad. Also, if y'all ain't seen my baby, this old Livy, she real dirty right now. Pollen season going crazy, but this is my car, man. 2020 392 Dodge Charger, half camo wrap. I did it myself. You feel me? Some slight. I don't know if y'all saw it, but the camera. But yeah, some slight. You feel me? That triple nickel. You know what I'm saying? Triple nickel thing. Me and Mopar delete. You know, something slight. Wicked bill, stuff like that. But yeah, man. But you can tell by the title, I'm finna do sliding again part 2. But what made this so different, I actually learned how to do it. I ain't gonna cap. I did it without recording. I just did it real quick. I was just off some slight stuff. I was just like, man, let me just, you know, come right here to this little spot. I made a little cul-de-sac. Y'all see somebody already came out here and did it. I did a few of those, but it was already stuff here. But man, I came up here and did it real quick, some slight, you know what I'm saying? And I was whipping that mud with one hand. I wasn't even in manual, bro. I think I put it in manual, the paddle shifter, but it went to automatic. I'm talking about I was controlling it, cause like, you know, last time I tried it, I think I was trying too much. I wasn't trying too much, but like, I was too focused on trying to do it. This time I just did it, just be like, okay, I had to feel the car. So what I learned, you gotta feel the car, man. It's really not that hard. Once you feel it, that junk crazy. But I'm finna try to get to the shot, man. I'm finna try to put my phone somewhere, you know what I'm saying? Somewhere over here, but I don't know. But let me show y'all my car real quick. I'm turning the camera back around. But yeah, like I said again, my baby right here. Call Olivia, you know what I'm saying? Y'all say hey to Olivia. These bugs go crazy, bro. What's up with all these gnats, man? Like, it feel like we ain't seen summer in so long. It's been winter for like forever. But yeah, man, y'all see what's going on. Y'all see what's going on. Y'all see what they got. I see what they got going on here. Yeah, so as y'all can tell, you know what I'm saying, I got a little better. I got a little better. It was straight, you know what I'm saying? It was straight. I'm getting there. I'm learning. Now I know how it feel. That's all I need. I just need to know how it feel. I know how it feel now. Cause like you can tell, yeah, cause like I did it before I recorded, and I felt it. You can feel it, bro. Cause it's like, I don't know. It's like it's supposed to go like that. Like you just can tell, like it's supposed to go like that. Like, on some parts, as y'all can see, I'm probably gonna put the whole thing in there. I messed up in it when I first started, but I had to turn the traction on and off again. But whoa, I thought there was a track off before. But yeah, but like, I'm getting there, bro. I'm telling you, once I learn that, like to where I could just really be out there, just, you know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, big bangers, big content coming. You know what I'm saying? Shout out again, like I said in my last video, Miss Carrie G. I'm gonna try to send you. I sent you my last one. Hope you watched it. I'm gonna send you this one, Miss Carrie G. I'm trying to get out there, man. Trying to get exposure. You feel? I'm trying to get everybody to know who I am. You feel me? Get you to know who I am, man. It's on the car. People see my car all the time, like, dang, man, with a whole folks just, you know what I'm saying? Just click on that mug, just look it up, like, I don't know if I should change the logo. Y'all let me know if I should change the logo and put YouTube instead of the play button. Cause a lot of folks don't know what the play button is. It's crazy. Cause people watch YouTube every day and still don't know the play button. What this is, they don't see it on their phone. But yeah, so basically I show y'all, man. I mean, I just wanted to do that. It was something quick. It really was a video off the top of the dome. You know what I'm saying? I wasn't supposed to be doing it. I'm supposed to be chilling today. In my off day. You know what I'm saying? Supposed to be chilling. Okay, little Mustang. What is that? Two valve. But oh, like, why not? You know what I'm saying? Cause YouTube, man, I'm really trying to do this, man. Like, folks don't understand, I'm really trying to do this. I love making the videos. I love like making it like making memories, man. You keep them forever and let it share with everybody else. You know what I'm saying? That's what I like about it. And it's just cool. You get to meet different folks. There's so many different people in the world just like you, man. You don't even know. Like, y'all got the same, like, y'all got the same. Is that a 5-0 behind me? I think bro trying to race me or something. He riding kind of fast, man. But yeah, so anyway, Mustang people, I'll tell you, y'all Mustang folk, man. Y'all something else. You know what I'm saying? I respect y'all though, but y'all something else, man. Y'all the fool, man. But anyway, that's gonna be a wrap for this video. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully y'all enjoy it. Hopefully y'all like that kind of, I don't know, kind of content or something. Hopefully y'all like that kind of content, man. Look at him. He just got that money. He ain't got no. He probably test driving, but still. Yeah, so that could be a wrap, man. That could be a wrap for the video. Make sure you stay tuned. Turn on that post notification bell, man. Subscribe. Please subscribe. On the road to 3K. Trying to hit 3K before the end. Before the end of come on now. Before the end of April. Before the end of this month. I need 3K before the end of this month, man. Need 3K. My goal this year, really, to be honest, my real goal this year, I want to be, cause I know it's possible. That's why I'm trying to set a higher goal for this year. I want to be, I say at 50K by the end, like, you know what I'm saying, by December, you know what I'm saying, 30th or whatever, 50K. But also I set another goal to be like, okay, 10K. Look at bro, look, he slowed down and all. He's scared, man. They probably need no 10 speed. It may be. I don't know. I gotta look at the. Yeah, man. But anyway, he keep interrupting my outro, man. But like I say, man, make sure y'all subscribe. I'm trying to get. My goal is, you know what I'm saying, at least 10K this year, not 50K. And really anything. Because you on YouTube is so like, everything can change so quick, bro. Like Chemical, that man, I'm telling you, literally, I was watching bro when he was way under 10K. He probably had like 6, 7, you know what I'm saying, like 5K. That thing no bread, like almost 200K, man. Like, that's crazy. In like 3 months. Is that my brakes making that noise? Oh, no. But yeah, my bad, y'all, bro. I guess, I don't know, I guess it ain't meant for the video to be shorter yet. I don't know, I guess I don't know. But, like I was saying, man, he grew so fast, anybody can do it. It just, you gotta find what it is, you know what I'm saying, to get you known, man. Whatever it is, I gotta find it. But y'all comment down below, give me some ideas, man. Like, give me some ideas. Y'all gotta let me know something, you know what I'm saying? Y'all gotta let me know something, man. Y'all gotta let me know something. Like, I can't be just making, I'm gonna be assuming, okay, they might be lit. Y'all might not like it. Y'all might like something totally different, but okay. If y'all like it, I'll do it. If y'all don't say nothing, then get what? You'll keep doing what I do then, you know what I'm saying? I'll put your inputs in, man, like real inputs. No, like, you know what I'm saying? Folk love, like, hit me up trying to joke and doing, like, real videos, bro. They ain't gotta all be car videos. But, like, you know what I'm saying? Either something real entertaining, like, it's not a car video, or, you know what I'm saying, something, a challenge, I don't know, something with. Man, y'all gotta let your boy know, man. But yeah, the outro been long enough. Appreciate all the love I've been getting. Appreciate y'all. I love y'all, you know what I'm saying, for the ones that really, truly, you know what I'm saying, rock with me. And like I said in the end of my video, man, you got a goal you're trying to achieve, any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone, man. You can do that goal, you can do that milestone. You know what I'm saying? Just stay true to yourself, work hard, you know what I'm saying? Don't give up, don't quit. Sometimes it get hard, but I want to quit. For you too, sometimes it ain't count. I don't say I want to quit, but I just don't be taking it as how I was taking it. You know what I'm saying? But now, you know, it's different. You know what I'm saying? It's different now. You know what I'm saying? I gotta keep motivating myself. Keep knowing what I gotta do. So, yeah. But yeah, man, anyway, also like I said on the end of my video, man, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.